Meron na agad. So guys, while we're waiting, ito yung boat namin mamaya. May mga shelves na agad. Ito yung sand. It's a white sand. Tingin. Ay, ang galing! Ang galing! So, ayan guys, yung aming cottage.